Hello guys, welcome again from my marine engineering technical channel. In the heart of every large marine engine line powerful pistons. These pistons endure extreme pressures and temperatures, driving the massive vessels that cross our oceans. But like any hardworking component, pistons require careful maintenance. Today, we will explore applying piston removal and insertion of critical procedures in keeping marine engines reliable, efficient, and safe. Marine engines operate continuously for thousands of hours, often under heavy load. Pistons face constant combustion forces, friction, and thermal stress. Over time, oil and deposits build up, reducing efficiency and risking damage. Removing pistons allows engineers to inspect for cracks, wear on piston rings, and carbon buildup. Without this step, small issues could escalate into catastrophic engine failure, leading to costly downtime at sea. Piston removal is a delicate operation. First, cylinder head cover is lifted, exposing the piston assembly. Specialized lifting tools are used to carefully extract the piston and rod. Precision is vital. Any mishandling can damage the piston crown or cylinder liner. Once removed, piston undergoes thorough cleaning and inspection, ensuring it meets strict tolerances before reuse or replacement. Insertion is equally critical in danger. Engineers align the piston rings correctly to prevent blowbind and ensure proper sealing. Lubrication is applied to minimize frictions during startup. Using hydraulic or mechanical tools, piston is lowered smoothly back into the cylinder liner. Every step is checked against manufacturer guidelines because even the minor misalignments can compromise performance and safety. Proper piston removal and insertion extend engine life, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce emissions. For shipping companies, this means lower operating costs and compliance with international regulations. For crew, it means confident that vessels power plant will perform reliably across long voyages. Piston maintenance is not just a technical task, it's a ticket for global trade and maritime safety. So, next time you see a massive ship glide across the horizon, remember, deep inside its engine room, pistons are working tirelessly. And the careful process of removing and inserting them is what keeps the world's fleet moving forward. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more technical contents. Hope to see you soon in this video.